Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to the Elliott Wave Vision. So let's start today Indian stocks video with Nifty 50. In Nifty 50, market give us the classic trading level pattern at 26,565 belongs to the group 2. Start of group 2 at this point. Market give us the arrival, a reaction, first high above level. Now we need to wait for the correction like wave A, B, C or W, X and Y. Then we will go towards the next point 27, then 28 and then 30 with respect to 29. Market give us this move as a wave 1, wave 2, wave 1 and wave 2. We need to wait for this correction to complete as a ABC or as a WXY. So overall after this brown wave 3 market give us this move as a wave 4 A, B and C. Then market give us this brown wave, green wave 1, green wave 2, black wave 1 and 2. Or we can count this whole structure as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as a leading diagonal. So now we are looking for the next point 27, 28 and 29. If market crosses 25 and give us the classic trading level pattern below, like market already give us the arrival. If market give us this move as a first low below level A, B and C, then we will change our count towards the deep correction as a leading diagonal wave 1 at this point, then wave 2 as a deep correction. So now we are looking for the bullish side because market already give us the first high above level. So let's check the classic trading level pattern number 1. In pattern number 1, market need to give us the arrival, a reaction, first high above level. In Nifty 50, market give us the arrival at 26,500, then give us the first high above level after this correction. Now this correction is in play as a B and C and WXY. Then we will go towards the bullish side directly with this wave B, or we need to wait for the impulsive move in lower time frame and its correction to go towards the next point. So let's check the possibility in 1 hour time frame. So in 1 hour time frame, after this black wave 1, we count the structure as a wave A, wave B and wave C as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After this move, market give us this sharp impulsive move, strong impulsive move as a 1, 2, 3, 4 and wave 5. Now this correction as a wave A, B and C may complete it as a wave 2, or that's possible this correction still is in play, like where we can count this move as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 A or A, B and C, W. Then that's possible market may give us the X and then Y. Then market will go towards the bullish side. Or that's also possible market may go towards the bullish side directly. Then we count this move as a wave 1, wave 2, wave 1 and wave 2. So let's check the possibility how we join the next bullish move. So now at this point 26,000 market give us the pattern number 3. Market not stop at the level directly creates high. Now we need to wait for this correction as a B and C. Then next impulsive move A, B and C in lower time frame. Then we will go towards the 26,500. If this 26,500 give us the classic trading level pattern, then we will go towards the next point 27, then 28. Otherwise that's possible market go towards the bearish side. Then we count this move as a B and C, W, X and Y. So if market give us the pattern at 26,000, like arrival or first high above level reaction, again market need to give us the impulsive move as a first high above level A, B and C. Then we will go towards the 26,500. Otherwise we don't know how we count this move as a 1, 2, 1, 2 or as a B and C as a X. So first we will go towards the 26,500. Then we will go towards the, if again market give us the pattern at 26,000 for the bearish side, then we will go towards the next point 25,500 as a wave Y. So we can count this move in two ways, as a wave 2 or as a B and C, W, X and Y. So now we need to wait for the classic trading level pattern at 26,000. The correction, now simply we need to wait for this correction to complete. First high above level A, B and C. Then we'll go towards the 26,500, the first targeted area. So let's check our next pair, Bank Nifty, in daily time frame. So in Bank Nifty, after this move, after this strong brown wave 1 and brown wave 2, we count this structure as a wave 1, wave 2, black wave 1 and black wave 2, brown wave 1 and brown wave 2. So at this point we can count this move differently, like we can count this move as a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, 4 and 5. If this wave 5 completed, now we need to wait for the next point towards the correction as a wave A, wave B, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave A, wave B and C as a brown wave 2. Then market will go towards the next point. Or that's also possible. This green wave 5 may still is in play, like after this green wave 3 and 4. Now that's possible, market may give us this move as a wave 1, wave 2, 3, 4, 5 towards the 65. Then market will give us the A, B and C. Then we will go towards the bullish side. So in Bank Nifty, how we join the next move? Now we need to wait for the classic trading level pattern at 58. Market already give us the arrival after this high, or at this point after this high we need to wait for the arrival, reaction, first low below level A, B and C. Then we will go towards the 56.5 and then 55. Then we will go towards the bullish side. So now we need to wait for the classic trading level pattern at 58. For the bullish side at 62, market not touch the 62. So at this point we need to wait for the pattern like first high above level A, B and C. Then we will go towards the 65. So as of now we need to wait for the next first high above level above 62 and the classic trading level pattern in lower time frame in 4-hour time frame. So that's possible. If market cross this low, this last low as a wave 4, then we switch our count as a wave 5 at this point of this brown wave 1 like this. Then we will go towards the deep correction as a B and C. Then we will go towards the 65 with the classic trading level pattern at 60, like arrival, reaction, first high above level A, B and C. Then we will go towards the next point. Let's check our next pair, Reliance. So in Reliance, after this green wave 3, we count this structure as a flat pattern like wave A, wave B and wave C as a black wave A. Then market give us this move as a wave A, B and C as a black wave B. Now we are looking for the bearish side as a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4 and wave 5 towards the 1000. Then we will go towards the bullish side. Or we can count this move as a at this point as a wave 4, A, B and C wave 4. Then market give us this move as a wave 1, A, B and C wave 2. Then we will go towards the bullish side. So in this case, if we are looking for the bullish side, we need to wait for the classic trading level pattern at 1600. At this point, market give us the arrival. Now we need to wait for this reaction at this point, or that's possible we can count this move as a reaction. Now we need to wait for the first high above level above 1600. If market give us the high above 1600 and its correction, Then we will go towards the next point 1800 and 2000 step by step. So if we want to go towards the bullish side, we need to wait for the classic trading level pattern at 1600. So let's back to our original count as a wave A, B and C. For the bearish side, we need to wait for the pattern at 1300. Market not touch this 1300. In 1400, we can go towards the bearish side. So at this point below this wave B, we need to wait for the classic trading level pattern. Like market give us the arrival. Now we need to wait for this A, B and C. If market give us the low below this 1334 or at the 1300, the end of group 1. We need to wait for the classic trading level pattern at 1300 group 1. But we can go with the pattern at the end of this move, this wave B. We can go with the classic trading level pattern with the wave B towards the bearish side. So we need to wait for the classic trading level pattern at the wave B or at 1300. Then we will go towards the next point 1200, then 1100 and then 1000. So as of now we are looking for this move as a wave 1, wave 2, then wave 3 with the classic trading level pattern, then 4 and then 5, step by step. So let's check our next pair, HDFC Bank. So in HDFC, we count this structure after this brown wave 1. Market give us this move as a brown wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of black wave 1, black wave 2, 3, 4 and 5 of this green wave 1 as a leading diagonal. After this leading diagonal, we are looking for this correction towards the 800, the end of group 2. Group 2 belongs to 65, 72 and 80, 800. So now we are looking for the bearish side as A, B, C, W, X. Now we need to wait for the A, B and C towards the 850 and then 800, 50 to 61% fib retracement zone. Then we will go towards the bullish side. If market give us the classic trading level pattern at 1000, then we will go towards the bullish side. Then we shift our count from this wave to at this point to this point. But that's possible. Market will go towards a deep correction because of this strong impulsive move. So now we count this move as a wave A, wave B and wave C, W, X. If market give us the classic trading level pattern at 920, 900 at this point, market not touch this 900, but that's okay. Sometime market cross the level and sometime market not touch and give us the classic trading level pattern. At this point market give us the arrival, a reaction. Now we need to wait for the first high above level A, B and C. Then we'll go towards the next point 850 and then 800. After this correction, if market give us the pattern above 900 like arrival, reaction, first high above level A, B and C. Then we will go towards the 1000 and then 1100 and then 1200 step by step. So now we need to wait for this correction to complete. The classic trading level pattern at 900. If market give us the pattern above the 1000, then we will change our count and go towards the bullish side. So let's check our next pair, ICICI Bank. Market give us this move as a green wave 3, like black wave 1, black wave 2, black wave 3, black wave 4 and then black wave 5 of this green wave 3. After this green wave 3, we are looking for this correction towards the 38.20% of fib retracement zone as a wave A, wave B. Now we are looking for the wave C. For the bullish side, if market give us the classic trading level pattern at 1500, then we will go towards the bullish side. if market give us the pattern at 1500, or if market give us the pattern above this wave B, then we can go towards the bullish side, but we need to wait for the pattern at 1500, because 1500 belongs to the medium number between 1000 to the 2000, the strong number, the larger number. So if market give us the pattern like arrival, reaction, first high above level A, B, and C. Then we will go towards the next point 1650. Market already give us the arrival at this point in daily time frame. Arrival, reaction. Now we need to wait for first high above level A, B, and C. Then we will go towards it directly with this wave B towards the bullish side. But we need to refine our entry and wait for the classic trading level pattern in 4 hour, like arrival, reaction, first high above level A, B, and C, to go towards the next point 1650, the start of group 2. For the bearish side, we count this move as a wave A, wave B, or that's also possible. This wave B still is in play like A, B, C, W, or A, B, and C. That's possible. Market go cross this, move this last leg, then go towards the bearish side. So if we want to go towards the bearish side, we need to wait for the pattern at 1350, because market need to, we need to give us the room to the market like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to complete the 1 wave 1 arrival, reaction, first low below level A, B, and C. Then we'll go towards the 1300 and then 1200 step by step. So now we need to wait for this wave 4 to complete. Then we'll go towards the bullish side with 1400 and then 1500 towards the next point. So let's check our next pair, Infosys, in daily time frame. In this pair, market give us this ending diagonal after this black wave 4. Market give us this move as a brown wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 as a ending diagonal. After this move, market give us this wave A as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then wave B, wave A, wave B, and wave C. Towards this 50 to 61%, 61.80 fib retracement zone. So after this black wave B, now market ready to go towards the bearish side, towards the, first we are looking for the 1300. 1300 belongs to the end of group 1. Group 1, 1100, 1200, and 1300 belongs to group 1. If this 1300 give us the classic trading level pattern, then we will go towards the 1200 and then towards the 1100, step by step. So at this point, market not stop at the level. Pattern number 3 is in play. Market not stop at the level, directly creates low like wave 1, wave 2, 3, 4, and 5. So now we need to wait for this move as after this first low below level A, B, and C. Then we'll go directly with this wave B towards the 1300, or we need to wait for the impulsive move in lower time frame A, B, and C. Then we will go towards the 1300. We need to refine our entry from this wave B to this wave B. So at this point, market give us the pattern number 3. Let's check the pattern number 3. So in pattern number 3, market not stop at the level. Market not stop at 1500, directly creates low. After this low, we need to wait for the A, B, and C as a correction. Then we can go directly with this wave B towards the bearish side towards 1300, or we need to refine our entry from this wave B to this wave B. This the end of impulsive move, and this move to this wave B, inner wave B. So we need to refine our entry from this wave B to this wave B, inner wave B. So at this point, market not stop at 1500, directly creates low. Now we need to wait for this correction and next impulsive move in lower time frame and its correction to go towards the 1300. Or we can go directly with this wave B towards the bearish side. So let's check our next pair, TCS, in daily time frame. So in this pair, after this black wave 3. Market give us this move as a impulsive move as a wave A, brown wave A, or that's possible. We can count this move as a B and C, W, X, A, B, and now C is in play as a wave B. We can count this move as a wave W at this point as a wave A or as a W wave X and then Y, A, B, and C. We can count this move as a WXY, or that's also possible. This move, this strong impulsive move belongs to wave A. Like market give us this move as a 1, 2, wave 3, wave 4. Now wave 5 is in play. So let's check the pattern. So at this point, market give us the pattern number 1. Market not touch this 3000, but it's okay near to 3000. Sometime market cross the level and sometime market not touch the level, directly give us the pattern. We count this move as arrival, a reaction, first low below level A, B, and C. Now market ready to go towards the bearish side. So in lower time frame, we need to wait for the 28 to give us the pattern to go towards the 25. So now we need to wait for this wave 5 to complete at 25 or at group 123. Then if market give us the pattern at 3000 like arrival, a reaction, first high above level A, B, and C. Then we will go towards the next point 35 and then 4000 as a wave B or as a wave 1, wave 2, wave 1 and wave 2. Because we can count this move as a sideways as a WX and Y. So this is for now. We will meet again tomorrow with the crypto pairs. Like, share and subscribe.